friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw a colorful flower tub with 3 beautiful flowers. So grab your black marker, paper, and let's start drawing together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing the flower tub. Draw a long oval for the top. Now add the sides going down and curve the bottom. Great job! Right in the middle of the tub, draw a straight stem. Now let's draw 2 cute leaves on each side of the stem. Time to draw the tulip. 1 big curved petal in the middle and 2 petals on the sides. Beautiful! Now let's move to the left side and draw the sunflower. Start with the stem and then draw 2 small leaves. Now for the flower, draw a circle in the center. Then draw lots of pointy petals all around it like the sun.
La da 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 dee.
Don't forget to draw tiny dots inside the circle for the seeds. Let's go to the right side and draw the last flower. Draw a stem and 2 more leaves. Now draw a circle for the center. And around it, draw 6 heart-shaped petals. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Look how awesome it's turning out! Isn't it beautiful?
Yay!
Now it's time for the best part, coloring. Let's use all the colors of the rainbow. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! You're doing an amazing job. Look at your beautiful flower tub. Awesome work, little artist. You did a fantastic job today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and share your drawing with friends and family. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.